Instructions for ET-7 Slingshot. What you're going to receive is 2 different sized hex screws, 2 gold screws, and a level gauge. Now you're also going to receive this red or green string. What you want to do is you want to insert it and then just bend and snap it off. I've already done this just so you don't have to watch me suffer through it, but it's still fairly easy. So what we want to do is set up the level gauge. The way this is done is fairly simple. You just take this part, you're going to insert it through this hole right here. With the hole sticking out, and then it's up to you to decide where you want to put the level gauge, typically right in the middle where it works. Then you're going to take this silver screw that you actually also receive and put it right in the hole, right in the middle. And then we just want to tighten it up. You want to make sure this is even before you start tightening it. Make your life a lot easier. Step 1 complete. Now you can choose either side you want to insert this in. Have the holes on the side, and once we insert it, fits right in. Take the golden screw, and we adjust it just so we can tighten this. Again, enjoy the suffering. And once it's in properly, it's fairly easy to tighten it. Side 1 complete. We take the other golden screw and place it in this hole as well, purely for cosmetic purposes. You can skip this step just because it's not fun. Alright, that is in. Final step is adding the rubber bands. So these 2 golden buttons right here is what you want to press, and it will push out this clip, and then you can insert the rubber bands. I just want to loosen it up a bit. See, that's the way it pushes out. Insert. Yeah, you can insert it this way as well. So you can go either way, this way or above. I prefer above. Clip it and tighten it. You want to tighten this real well. You don't want the rubber band coming out. Just a little bit more. Just don't want to overdo it to the point where everything falls off. And again, insert. And tighten the golden button again. Voila.